May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? Will the real Slim Shady please stand up? I repeat, will the real Slim Shady please stand up? We're gonna have a problem here.
Y'all act like you never seen a white person before. Jaws all on the floor like Pam, like Tommy just burst in the door and started whooping her ass worse than before. They first were divorced, throwing her over furniture. It's the return of the... Oh, wait, no, wait, you're kidding. He didn't just say what I think he did he? And Dr. Dre said... Nothing, you idiots. Dr. Dre's dead. He's locked in my basement. Feminist women love Eminem. Chicka, 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 Slim Shady. I'm sick of him. Look at him walking around, grabbing his you-know-what, flipping the you-know-who. Yeah, but he's so cute, though.
Hold it now, wait, hold it. That's played out. Hit it.
Big y'all. Living state. Jump. All right, Ralph. Shout out. Shuggy. Midnight lover. Let him know. Scorpion at it. Make them know that. Say what? Sexy body girl worldwide. Sexy body girl from New York, hear me now. Sexy body girl from London, hear me now. Sexy body girl from Jamaica, hear me now. That if it's sexy worldwide, you don't talk, yeah. Sexy body girl from New York, hear me now. Sexy body girl from London, hear me now. Sexy body girl from Jamaica, hear me now. That if it's sexy worldwide, you don't talk. First of all, I love the way how you flow. The wiggle and the jiggle and the way you a glow. Perfection of your body from your head to your toe. Hold no, me a fi hold me head and bob low, wow. To me a be a double G, me a fi bark. Description of your body from the way man a talk. Well, woman from your good, you know say man a go shock. You better careful, girl, how you walk. Sexy body girl from New York, hear me now. Sexy body girl from London, hear me now. Sexy body girl from Jamaica, hear me now. Girl, if you sexy body, you better talk. Sexy body girl from New York, hear me now. Sexy body girl from Jamaica, hear me now. Sexy body girl from London, hear me now. Girl, if you sexy worldwide, you don't talk. Now fi talk about the one named Sandra. She me a count up on me jam for Randa. One like she no hear me and she don't want answer. Not sure she hear say me a big romancer. That feel away girl, so I stay. And when you come to home and Rasta know me no play. Me have to love them up and me say night and day. I make them keep coming back, see them wake up. Sexy body girl from New York, hear me now. Sexy body girl from Jamaica, hear me now. Sexy body girl from around the world, hear me now. Girl, if you sexy world, you better talk. Sexy body girl from Boya, hear me now. Sexy body girl from Jamaica, hear me now. Sexy body girl from London, hear me now. Girl, if you sexy world, you better talk. Well, move your body and roll up, yes me girl. You get me out of control, yes me girl. Can you no trouble a soul, yes me girl. Now Mr. Lava make you jump and roll up. You move your body and roll, yes me girl. You get me out of control, yes me girl. Can you no trouble a soul, yes me girl. So Mr. Lava make you jump and roll up. Check out the watch, check out the chart, check out the motion. Girl, you alone that cause all this commotion. Woman, your body lick me like a locomotion. Make me day all I sing for give promotion. Woman, when you move, you better move cautious. Just the motion of the ocean makes me nauseous. Man, I look for your body from your fetus. Because them look up at your mama, she gorgeous. Sexy body girl from New York, hear me now. Sexy body girl from London, hear me now. Sexy body girl from Jamaica, hear me now. Girl, if you sexy world, you better talk, yeah. Sexy body girl from New York, hear me now. Sexy body girl from London, hear me now. Sexy body girl from Jamaica, hear me now. Girl, if you sexy world, you better talk. Cause woman, oh your body so sexy, girl. Chat about your body, know me up to get sexual. The kind of woman that ever put me in a hospital. Everybody get weak and dysfunctional. Woman, oh your body so sexy, girl. Chat about your body, know me up to get sexual. The kind of woman that ever put me in a hospital. Everybody get weak and dysfunctional. I gotta big up all the crow, yeah. All the ladies worldwide, yeah. Mr. Lover, let them know. I big up ladies in Jakarta. Big up ladies in Abu Dhabi, yeah. In Japan, in Germany, yeah. My Italian ladies, my West Indian ladies, my American ladies, all the ladies in Flatbush, New York, and all the ladies in LA. Love style. Big yard is wild. One more for them not mad. Midnight lover. All my African queens. Why? My Jamaican ladies. Let them know. London girls, you live all the time.